We are working on a 2007 Honda Fit. I am replacing the ignition switch assembly, steering lock assembly, I forget exactly what to call it. That's the part number from Honda. It comes with keys. You have to take the covers off the bottom and top of the steering column here. You can see the switch in there. It has security bolts that go around the top of the column. Just wire it away. They go around that there. I have one out already. I'm working on getting the other one out. Kind of see it in there. The bolts look like this. They have no head. The head of the bolt, though, that is here is soft. So if you use a chisel on an angle and tap it with a hammer, it will make a groove in it, and you can eventually get it loose and spin it out. Okay, I am going to include the part where I had my scan tool on it to program the key or the module there, whatever you want to call it. It seemed like it didn't work, and before I had tried that, I just turned the key and it would just crank and no start. But I decided to try it again after what I did, and it's running now. Both keys work. So whether if it actually did work or not, I don't know. It seems like it did, but we're good now. So I just have to put the covers back on the column and the car is done.